Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the profound teachings of visionaries who have changed the way we view the world. In today's video, we dive into the wisdom of Neville Goddard, a man known for his powerful insights into manifestation and the law of assumption. Get ready to discover the transformative potential of a single word as we present. Speak this one word to manifest anything you want. Neville Goddard. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Neville Goddard that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Neville Goddard, a prolific author and lecturer, shared remarkable insights about our ability to manifest our desires. In this video, we will uncover the significance of a single word, a word that has the power to change your life. Let's begin by exploring the legacy of Neville Goddard. Neville's teachings have left an indelible mark on the world of personal development, with followers from all walks of life who credit him with transforming their reality. His focus on the power of the mind and the law of assumption has revolutionized the way we think about manifesting our desires. Neville's message revolves around a single word: imagine. This word, when properly understood and applied, has the potential to unlock a world of possibilities. But what does it mean to truly imagine, and how can this simple word lead to the manifestation of your deepest desires? Imagination, as Neville Goddard explains, isn't just about daydreaming or fantasizing. It's a deliberate and conscious act. When you imagine, in the sense Neville intended, you vividly picture your desired reality, as if it's already true. This isn't merely wishful thinking. It's a profound shift in consciousness that aligns you with the reality you wish to create. Neville's teachings are rooted in the concept of the law of assumption. This law states that if you assume a specific state of being and consistently dwell in that state, you will experience its corresponding reality. Imagine serves as the key that unlocks the door to this state of assumption. Let's explore how imagine works in practical terms. When you imagine that you have already achieved your desired goal, you are acting as if it's already true. This mental state has a profound impact on your emotions, thoughts, and actions. Neville emphasizes the importance of feeling when you imagine. Your imagination should evoke a deep and genuine emotional response, as if your desired reality is already a part of your life. This emotional charge fuels the manifestation process. Imagine also plays a pivotal role in your self-talk and affirmations. When you speak the word imagine and visualize your desires during these affirmations, you're programming your subconscious mind to accept this new reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It simply accepts what you consistently feed it. Imagine serves as the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. It connects your current reality with the reality you wish to manifest. The more vividly you can imagine, and the more you can feel the reality of your desires, the stronger the bridge becomes. Neville's teachings highlight the significance of living in the end of your desire. By living in the state of assumption, as if your desire is already realized, you align yourself with the frequency of your desired reality. This alignment is where true manifestation takes place. Faith is another cornerstone of Neville Goddard's teachings. When you imagine with faith, you solidify your belief in the manifestation of your desires. It's this unwavering faith that propels your dreams into reality. Let's delve into some practical steps for integrating imagine into your daily life. Start by setting aside a specific time each day for focused imagination. It could be in the morning, visualization ritual that suits you. Find a quiet and comfortable space, close your eyes, and use the word imagine as your entry point into your desired reality. Use visualization tools to enhance your practice. Vision boards, guided meditations, or even drawing can aid in making your imagination more vivid and tangible. The key to successful manifestation through imagine is consistency and persistence. Over time, Your imagination will become more powerful and more aligned with your desires. As you continue to imagine and align with your desires, you'll witness a profound transformation in your reality. Your outer world will begin to reflect your inner state of assumption. The changes may start subtly, but they will grow more pronounced as your belief and faith solidify. Patience is a virtue when it comes to manifestation through imagine. Understand that the time it takes for your desires to manifest may vary, but unwavering faith keeps you on the right path. Neville Goddard's teachings are replete with success stories from those who have harnessed the power of imagine. These testimonies serve as a testament to the effectiveness of his teachings. Whether it's manifesting a dream job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, the power of imagine knows no bounds. Your successful manifestations have a ripple effect in your life. As you experience the power of imagine, you gain confidence in your ability to shape your reality. This newfound confidence transcends your desires, influencing various aspects of your life. Neville's teachings encourage us to go beyond personal gain. When you realize the power of imagine, you can extend it to benefit others and contribute to positive change in the world. Your ability to imagine and manifest can become a force for good. As you dive deeper into Neville Goddard's teachings and embrace the power of imagine, you embark on a profound journey of self-discovery. You uncover the immense potential within you, recognizing that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. This journey not only transforms your external world, but also unveils a new version of yourself, filled with confidence and self-assuredness. Neville's concept of imagine resonates with the principles of the law of attraction and quantum physics. When you imagine your desires with unwavering faith and feeling, you are essentially aligning with the vibrational frequency of those desires. Quantum physics suggests that your thoughts and beliefs can influence the behavior of subatomic particles, further highlighting the profound connection between your inner world and the outer reality. Intention is a powerful force that goes hand in hand with imagine. When you set a clear intention for your desires and imbue them with the energy of imagine, you create a magnetic pull that draws your desires toward you. This synergy of intention and imagination amplifies the manifestation process. Imagine also serves as a tool to overcome limiting beliefs. When you vividly picture your desired reality and feel it as if it's already true, you challenge and rewrite the limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. This process allows you to break free from the constraints of the past and move towards a brighter future. Neville Goddard's legacy includes a collection of guided meditations that further help you harness the power of imagine. These meditations guide you through the process of vividly imagining your desires, making the practice more accessible and effective. They serve as a valuable resource for those looking to deepen their understanding of imagine measures. You begin living the dream even before it fully manifests. This lived experience is a testament to the power of your imagination. You'll find that the line between imagination and reality blurs as your desires seamlessly flow into your life. Just as Neville Goddard shared his wisdom with the world, you too can inspire others to embrace the power of imagine. By sharing your success stories and the transformation brought about by this practice, you become a beacon of hope for those seeking change. Together, we can create a world where individuals recognize the boundless potential of their imagination. The power of imagine goes beyond the manifestation of external desires. It is a profound tool for personal growth and transformation. When you imagine and align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with your desires, you awaken the creative force within you. This creative force isn't limited to manifesting external objects or situations. It extends to your own self. Imagine can be a means to become your ideal self, to step into a version of you that you've always aspired to be. Whether it's increased confidence, better health, or a more positive mindset, the power of imagination can help you embody these qualities. By consistently imagining the ideal you align with that self and gradually start to live it. Healing emotional wounds and cultivating self-love is another facet of imagine. Through vivid and heartfelt imagination, You can reframe past experiences, heal old wounds, and develop a profound love for yourself. The power of imagination can be a therapeutic tool for your inner world. Imagine also connects you to the universal consciousness. As you imagine your desires and feel them as true, you establish a connection with the infinite intelligence of the universe. This connection enhances your intuition, creativity, and ability to receive insights and inspiration. The beauty of Imagine is that it's a practice for a lifetime. It's a tool that you can continue to use as you evolve, setting new goals and discovering more about yourself. Whether you're starting your journey of self-discovery or you're an experienced practitioner, Imagine remains a powerful and timeless resource. In closing, let's express our gratitude to Neville Goddard for his timeless wisdom. His teachings have illuminated the path to a life filled with boundless possibilities and personal growth. We encourage you to continue embracing the power of Imagine in your daily life, and as you do, may you unlock the doors to a reality beyond your wildest dreams. As we conclude this video, remember that the power of Imagine is your birthright, a gift that has the potential to transform your life on every level. You must watch our latest video on the topic. Saying I am is the key. In this video, we will be telling about the realms of philosophy for life as we share profound teachings from renowned thinkers like Neville Goddard. Discover how the law of assumption can shape your reality and unlock your full potential. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. May your life be forever enriched by the magic of Imagine, and may you manifest a reality that aligns with your deepest desires and your most authentic self. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and may you carry the power of Imagine in your heart, forever shaping your reality and your dreams.